Hello, I'm Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you for your time. I would like to extend an invitation to you to join the Grassroots Nonprofit Academy so that you can get the resources you need to operate your nonprofit organization successfully in one place. The Grassroots Nonprofit Academy is a subscription-based membership service. I offer 3 membership levels. Bronze is $5 per month, silver is $10 per month, and gold is $15 per month. The member benefits allow you to, again, get all of the resources you need in one location to operate your nonprofit organization successfully. In just one moment, I'm going to show you those resources. But in a nutshell, you will be a part of a community of like-minded nonprofit professionals, people who are on the front lines every day doing the work. You are doing the work to serve the community. You are planting the community gardens and teaching children how to grow their own vegetables. You are taking senior citizens back and forth to doctor's appointments. You are helping homeless veterans provide the resources they need to have a place to live. You are doing the work. You are hosting after-school programs for children who are not reading on grade level due to COVID. You are offering excellent football league programs, basketball league programs, soccer, different types of athletic programs for children to learn the fundamentals of each sport. You are doing the work. So I wanted to start the Grassroots Nonprofit Academy as a way to not only provide the resources you need to be successful in your work, but also to invite you to join a community, people like you who can share their experiences, share their best practices, share their horror stories, be able to vent with people who are going through what you're going through so that we can lift each other up. So I'm going to pause just for a moment to share my screen so that you can see exactly what you're going to get when you join the Grassroots Nonprofit Academy. Just one moment, please. I'm going to share my screen and I'm pulling up the information that is on my website that you can look at so that you would know what you are getting when you join the Grassroots Nonprofit Academy. So here's the page. You will go to my website, www.trustsusanwoods.com. You will click on the Join Us link. And as you can see, once you join, then you will have a members only portal that you have to be a member to get in to get the resources that I talked about. But now we're on the page where you can join us. And I'm going to scroll down so that you can see the benefits of membership. Join the community. The Grassroots Nonprofit Academy, let me increase the size of my screen just in case you need to see it a little bit better. The Grassroots Nonprofit Academy is a subscription-based membership that includes like-minded professionals working at the grassroots nonprofit level to enhance their communities. Like I said, that is you. Guess what? It's me too. I operated a nonprofit organization for over 10 years. So I know what it feels like to be working so hard to do good work and not getting the support that you need. That's why I wanted to do this academy. There are 3 membership options. And here they are. Bronze membership, like I said, is $5 per month. Silver membership is $10 per month. And all you have to do is join here. Click on the links, join now. And gold membership is $15 per month. Now, the members only portal opens on July the 15th, 2024. So once you join, you will be able to access the membership portal tomorrow. Membership enrollment is open, and today is the last day. 11 p.m. tonight, you won't be able to go to this page to join. The enrollment period for the Grassroots Nonprofit Academy opens on July the 1st and closes on July the 14th, today. You can enroll in one of the monthly subscription membership options listed above, bronze, silver, or gold. during the open enrollment period. Important, this is very important. Please listen. Please listen. Membership enrollment opens on the first day of each quarter. So the open enrollment is not always open. I only open it on the first day of each quarter, quarter being the business quarters of the year. January 1st is the first day of the quarter. April the 1st is the first day of the quarter. July the 1st is the first day of the quarter. October the 1st is the first day of the quarter, and it opens for 15 days from the 1st to the 14th of that month. So if you miss today, you won't be able to join us until October the 1st. Okay? Membership benefits. This is what I want you to hear about. The membership benefits. What do you get? What is your return on investment for joining the Grassroots Nonprofit Academy? What I'll let you know. Non-member, bronze member, silver member, and gold. Okay, just like I said. Now, if you're a non-member, that just means you're a non-member. You're not a member of the Grassroots Nonprofit Academy. And so it shows the benefits that you would get as a non-member. I'm not going to stop offering my services to the public in general, the non-members, but you will see in just a moment, they don't get the benefits that you get. Now, as a member, every level of membership, bronze, silver, and gold, will get these free resources. The monthly nonprofit newsletter. I don't know if you followed my newsletter for years. I've been doing it since 2007, and I've been sending it out to the open public for years until now. It's a free service, only for members. That nonprofit newsletter, monthly newsletter, is only going to go to members going forward. The Grassroots Nonprofit Academy Facebook group, that's the community I'm talking about. You will be able to join this Facebook group page, private, members only, to share your experiences operating a nonprofit organization. We're going to have monthly frequently asked questions. Any questions that you have about the nonprofit sector, such as how to write grants, how to create board members, how to raise money, whatever questions you have, I'm going to host a frequently asked questions monthly Zoom session free for all members. I provide do-it-yourself guides for members only. They are free. Ongoing support. Maybe you may have a quick question one day and you want to send me a text message, or you want to call me, or you want to send me an email. That support is only going to be for members. I'm no longer going to answer those questions for people who are not members. Why should I? Quarterly one-on-one consultations, just one-on-one, me and you, every quarter if you need it. I will meet with you over the phone or Zoom or however you want to meet, and we'll just have a consultation about whatever it is you're dealing with. So these are all of the free resources for each membership level: bronze, silver, and gold. Free resources. And I'm going to continue to add to the free resources based on the feedback that I get from you. Now let's talk about fees. Let's talk about price points for different things based on the membership. So I offer basic nonprofit courses. How to start nonprofits is a course. How to fund, how to manage, how to sustain. My basic nonprofit courses, here are the prices. If you are a non-member, if you're not a member, you're a member of the public, it's $150 for each one of those courses. If you are a bronze member, your fee is $125. If you are a silver member, your fee is $95 for each of the courses. However, if you are a gold member, your fee for each course is $75, which is half price, half of the price that a person who is not a member would pay. Let's look at the basic Microsoft courses. Microsoft Word 365, Microsoft Excel 365, Microsoft PowerPoint 365. Members of the public is $150 per course. Bronze members, $125. Silver members, $95. And again, gold members, $75 for each course, half of the regular price. And then I have advanced courses. My advanced courses are how to reinstate nonprofits, how to write nonprofit grant proposals, how to complete the Form 1023 application for recognition of exemption, how to become a successful nonprofit consultant. Here are the prices for each. How to reinstate nonprofits, $250 for the public, $195 for bronze members, $175 for silver members, and $150 for gold members. How to write nonprofit grant proposals. $250 for the public, $195 for bronze members, $175 for silver members, and $150 for gold members. You save $100 as a gold member. How to complete the Form 1023 application for recognition of exemption, the long version, the 40-pager, $495 for the public, $450 for bronze members, $400 for silver members, and $375 for gold members. That is a very long, methodical course, okay? It's not something that's very simple. And then finally, how to become a successful nonprofit consultant. If you want to start your own business as a nonprofit consultant, the way that I decided to do years ago, I want to walk you through the steps. I want to teach you how to do this so that you can avoid the pitfalls that I fell into. So for the public, that course is $1,250 because it's a 5-day course. $975 for bronze members, $925 for silver members, and $850 for gold members. So these are the benefits of membership. These are the benefits of joining the Grassroots Nonprofit Academy. Okay? So I invite you, join today, 11 p.m. tonight, Eastern Standard Time. This page will not be available. You will not see this page. Instead, if you came here, if you click on the Join Us button, you will see a note to join us October the 1st. You will not be able to join us after 11 p.m. Eastern Time tonight. So take advantage of this opportunity. $5 per month, really? $10 a month? $15 per month for everything that I'm offering? I think that's a great deal. But you know what is most important? The most important benefit I think that you will get out of joining the Grassroots Nonprofit Academy is the fellowship. I think the fellowship is going to benefit you the most because I got this idea from Amy Porterfield. Amy Porterfield, I started following her a couple of years ago, but I never joined. She has the Digital Course Academy. And it teaches you how to create courses. It teaches you how to create a list, how to create a community. And she practices what she preaches. And that's what I like about her. She has a community for members only. And in that community, we learn so much. We learn so much from each other. I've been developing courses for decades. That's what my career has been about. Curriculum developer, instructional designer, learning consultant, you name it, I've done it. And now the new name is content creator. I've been creating content for decades, since 1990. So I'm well versed in it. Nevertheless, I learned so much from joining her community and taking her course, which by the way, was an investment of $2,000. So if you want to grow in your craft, I'm a firm believer. If you want to grow in your craft, I'm sorry, I got distracted. If you want to grow in your craft, then I encourage you to join the Grassroots Nonprofit Academy. $5 per month. This said $5 per month. $5 for 30 days. At least 30 days, except February. $10 per month. $15 per month. I want to grow the Grassroots Nonprofit Academy to be a comprehensive, beneficial resource for you. That's what I want it to be. Because I know from personal experience, it helps when you can just call someone and just vent, or when you can express your concerns about something, or if you need help, like quickly. You don't want to take a full course. You just need an answer right away. You can get it by joining this community. You're doing the work. I applaud you for the work that you are doing in the community right now. I applaud you for the stress that you are enduring, trying to help other people. Pat yourself on the back. It takes a special human being to do what you do. It takes a special human being to care about other people to the point where you will actually do something. Many people see a problem in their community and they pass right by it. But you saw a problem in your community and you set out to do something about it. You want to educate people. You want to teach people about health and wellness. You want to have home visits. You want to visit people who are in nursing homes. Your organization is doing that. I've helped so many people over the years. I started completing the Form 1023 application for recognition of exemption in 2010. And since that time, I've helped over 400 people start nonprofits in their communities. 400 communities times how many people, I don't know. I'm blessed. God has blessed me with that talent. I want to share my knowledge with you. Please let me. Please join us. Don't miss this opportunity. Go ahead and choose a membership. If it's bronze, thank you. Thank you for becoming a bronze member. Thank you. Thank you. If it's silver, thank you. I appreciate it. If it's gold, thank you. I appreciate it. But you will appreciate it even more because it's going to help you, I promise. I'm Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions and the proud founder of the Grassroots Nonprofit Academy subscription membership service. I hope to see you in the Academy soon. Thank you and have a good day.